To get your video suggested on YouTube, there are conscious efforts you have to take in order for the algorithm to suggest your videos. There is difference between recommendation and suggestion. Recommendation, when you make a video and you post it on YouTube, YouTube recommends your video to a small group of people, and when this group of people do not stay to watch or click, YouTube most times dumps that video. But then YouTube suggesting your video is another way to get views. When YouTube recommends your video to this group of people, and while they are watching it, you take these 3 steps that I'm about to show you in this video, YouTube will certainly keep pushing your video to more number of people, and this means more subscribers for you, more views, and also more watch hours. Stay to the end of this video, because I will not only be telling you about these 3 things that you need, these 3 steps that you need to take. I will also be showing you practical on how to take this step by step. In this video, I'm about to walk you through 3 steps you can take to help the algorithm suggest your video highly. As a new YouTuber starting up a channel, it's not just making videos, editing them and posting them on YouTube. There are a lot of steps you need to take, because every minute 500 videos are being uploaded to YouTube. So for YouTube to find your video and make justice to it, there are conscious efforts you need to keep taking for YouTube to suggest your video, and at the end you hit your aim of getting views, subscribers, and watch hours. Number 1 on the 3 steps I want you to take is creating a playlist. If you have not created a playlist up to now on your channel, the next video I'm going to post after this one video, I'll be taking you step by step on how you can create a playlist on YouTube. But then let's move on to the next. So first thing you have to do, the first step you need to take is create a playlist. After you must have created a playlist, the playlist will take us to the second step. But before then, what does a playlist mean? A playlist means gathering all your videos in one place, gathering all your videos in one particular album. So let's call it an album. Such as musicians have their album, that is gathering all their songs in one place. That is how on YouTube you can gather all your videos talking about one particular thing in one video. Let's say, for example, you have made videos on how to add music, you have made videos on how to add transition on CapCut, how to add effects, how to add music, and how to add sound on CapCut. Then the next video you're also going to make is about CapCut. You're gathering all these videos in one place, so that when a person clicks one of these videos, the YouTube keeps suggesting to them from that playlist. This means that when a person is interested, maybe a person comes to YouTube and search how to add transition to a video on YouTube suggests your video to them, and when they click on your video, instead of just watching that video and going off, instead of them watching just that video on transition and going off, YouTube will suggest to them, videos on how to do effects, videos on how to add music on CapCut, on how to add sound. And of course, someone who is interested in transition in CapCut will likely be interested in adding effects, and they keep watching videos under your playlist, and that automatically leads to more views on your video, watch hours. And if that feels like their vibe, certainly they're going to subscribe to your channel and also stick around. The second one, which is also intertwined with the first one, description. Another way you can trick the algorithm into helping you. Another way you can trick the algorithm into suggesting your videos and helping you get more views is pasting the links of your playlist in your description. Let's say, just like I said, let's say you have made a good number of videos around CapCut, and then you make a new one. While posting this video, after you have written your description, you have put in your tags, you copy the link of this already existing playlist and you paste it on the new video you're about to upload. And before then you have added this your new video to the playlist category. While uploading this video, you copy the link of the already existing playlist and you add it to this description. When YouTube push your video to new people, your playlist will be showing on your description, and when they click on this playlist, this automatically means they are going through that playlist and they keep playing more of your video. Isn't that interesting? This is very important to help you, and you're gaining more views, more watch hours, and certainly if that is their vibe, they'll also subscribe. The third thing which is intertwined with these 2 things I've talked about is your end screen. End screens are important to your videos. You might be wondering why end screen is really important to your videos. If you do not put end screen to your videos, after your videos finish playing, YouTube is going to suggest the video of another channel to your audience. And if that channel is also in your niche. Maybe these people, instead of them sticking to you or watching more of your video, they are going to watch this channel video. And if that channel has automatically added end screen to their own video, your audience is certainly going to keep watching their videos instead of watching yours. So always add end screen to your videos. I will also be making a detailed video on how you can add end screen to your videos. Moving forward, or trying to add end screen to your videos, instead of randomly choosing a video or randomly just picking anything and just dropping on your end screen, you can actually click on the place that there is one video, one playlist, or one subscribe, one playlist. When you add these things as end screen to your videos, when a viewer sees those end screens that appears either here or here on your video, and maybe your video, let's say you make a video on how to cook jollof rice, you get how to cook jollof rice, and you already packaged your video and you posted it, and this viewer watches how to cook jollof rice on your video, and you tell them in your video that, do you want to know how to cook fried rice, another special of jollof rice, or another version of jollof rice? They should click on this video, and when they click on the end screen showing, and it takes them directly to your channel. Instead of them, maybe in your playlist you have created a number of African cuisine, you have created how to cook spaghetti, how to cook native rice, how to cook maybe food around rice, white sauce, different versions of cooking rice, and they click on how to cook fried rice, and after that they are clicking on how to cook native rice, that cook different versions of rice. Because of course, someone that who is interested in cooking jollof rice and fried rice will certainly want to know how to cook, they can make other varieties of rice. So they will certainly click on those videos and they keep watching. This means more views for you, more subscribers, and more watch hours. Without talking much, or without saying much about these three things, let's head over to our Creator Studio. To get started with this tutorial, we're heading over to our YouTube app firstly. Well, what you are doing in this YouTube app is to copy the link of a playlist. So this is a practical, I'm showing you guys how to do it step by step. So you go to your YouTube app, you tap on your account, and when you tap on your account, you go to playlist. When you go to playlist, you go to a playlist that you want, like the video you already created something among. If it's YouTube tips, or if it's CapCut tutorial, anything, but because of it's a YouTube tip video that I want to include a playlist in, I'll use YouTube tips. So you tap on the three dots by the right hand side. It's going to bring out play next, in check, and then share. You're going to tap on share so that they'll bring out the link. Copy link, just copy the link, and that is all you need. Then we are going to head over to our Chrome extension right now. In case you have not logged into the Chrome extension, all you have to do is to type www.youtubestudio.com, and it's going to bring out your it's going to bring out the Chrome extension, and all you have to do is to log in. So now we are in the Chrome extension. We are going to click onto the video we want to edit. When you click into the video you want to edit, you go to description first. Remember, we copy the link we copy from our playlist. So it's here we're going to paste the link. See, I've written my description and everything, even put added tags. So next thing we're going to do now is to include that link we copied into the description box. Or you just have to long press, make a space, then long press the description box. When you long press, you're going to see something like paste. They're going to allow you paste it. Then you just paste the link you have copied from that playlist. After that, what we are now going to head over to our end screen. That is the next thing we're going to. Now on the end screen, we are going to tap on edit. So when you come to the end screen, you're going to see things like this. You're going to see import from latest video, one subscribe, one playlist, one subscribe, two videos. Just like I said before, we are going to, for this video, I'm going to choose one video, one playlist. You can choose any of the option. You can choose either one playlist, one subscribe, one playlist, one video, but for the sake of this video, let's choose one video, one playlist. So I'm going to choose one video, one playlist, and YouTube is automatically going to choose the one playlist, and they are also going to choose one video for me. But then, as a very intentional creator, someone who is very, very intentional, I'm going to choose the playlist I want to be to be showed at the end screen space. So I'm going to choose thank you Jesus, I'm going to choose the playlist I want, which is the YouTube tip playlist, because that is what I added to the description, and that is what this particular video I'm editing is all about. Okay, so then the next thing we're going to do is to add a video. because we are very intentional. YouTube is actually going to choose a video for you. They're going to choose the best for viewers. But what if that best for viewer is not in the category of your playlist, or is not something linked to the video you have made? So that, just choose the best video. Choose a video that is connected to the video you are editing. So I'm also going to choose the next video. Something I deleted, I noticed that I tapped the playlist twice. So when you want to, you can delete. Look at the deletion icon there, just tap on it and you can delete whatever you want to remove from the box. So the next thing I want to choose now is the video. The video, we are choosing one video, one playlist. So let's choose a video. I'm choosing this video because this is one of the best performing video for me right now, so I'm going to choose this video. And please, before you go out or before you tap any other thing, make sure you save, because it's very, very important. If you leave without saving, all the editing you have done is waste, like you just wasted your time. So make sure you save. And after saving, you also go to the place, go to the whole interface of the video you are editing, and also tap on save. If you do not tap on save, you just wasted your time. Everything you just did will not be saved. The video will just remain as it is before. And that is all you need to do for this tutorial. Hi, my name is Favor. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. And if you have subscribed to this channel, you are the real MVP. You're welcome to my channel. On this channel, I share editing tutorials, YouTube tips, and other social media hacks. So if this feels like a vibe, please make sure you hit on the subscribe button, the notification bell, so when I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notified.